Cylinder. I'm going to ask him a question. All right, Lisa. So, tell us a little bit about what we're watching here.
We are at 223 Roosevelt. The city of Elyria is demolishing this building. It's been vacant for quite a long time. It's been on the city's demo list since 2014, and today it's finally going down. And as you can probably see, there are a few neighbors standing outside who have been waiting for this property to come down. Neighbors who've lived on this street for many years who've said they've never had a problem with rodents and mice, but since this building has been vacant for the last 3 or 4 years, everyone has complained about having mice in their homes, and so they're hoping with this property being gone that issue will resolve itself.
So how many demolitions is this now for the city?
This marks number 263 for the city since January of 2013. The city's been using a combination of several funds, neighborhood stabilization funds, a coalition with the Lorain County Land Bank, and a lot of general fund monies to bring homes down in an effort to increase the housing stock in the city. Now, while many people see demolition as a good thing in their neighborhoods, it's also bittersweet because a lot of these neighbors know the people who once lived in the homes that are now vacant lots or being repurposed in the city. You know, these are once their neighbors and friends, and once they pass on, maybe family members have deceased and no one's there to take over the properties. Things change when they change hands, and so it's actually a bittersweet moment for many of them. Now, as we're watching this demolition, we should also make note that 255 Roosevelt is also on the city's to be demolished list, and that should be happening in a couple weeks. And in total, there are about 28 homes still on the city's to be demolished list. They have moved quickly through this list through a process of, inspection and making sure that they can get access to the properties. And once they do that and legally they're able to take them down, the city will move quickly to do that.
Okay, everybody, thanks for tuning in. We just wanted to let you take a look at this and see what's going on. So this will be our first commercial feed from the Chronicle Telegram, and we'll be seeing a lot more of this. Have a great day, everybody.